ago.
Yes, that one is worksheets. Where is the slide that teacher posted? Who cannot view my screen? You can go to the Edmodo and then can see the slide that teacher have posted yesterday, isn't it? But the
Yes,
notes teacher
teacher.
will upload one day before. Only the worksheet teacher will upload one on that time, because some of you will do one day early before the class start, and then once the class start, they have nothing to do. They rushingly do everything. Good morning, Hemar. We just started our class. Okay, so shall we start the lesson now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. So the topic that we're going to cover is addition and subtraction of fractions. Teacher don't want to mix that both topics together with the fractions. Teacher will go one by one. I'm going to teach about the addition first, and then we will move to the subtraction of fractions. Okay, that teacher said we are still under the same topic, fractions, addition and subtraction. Okay, now teacher want to show 11 examples on how to add the fractions. When teacher talk verbally, when teacher explain verbally, sure you all won't understand. When it comes to the examples, teacher will show how to do the working all, then you all know how to do. Clear? Okay, now question number 1. You have to add the following fractions. Let's say, since these fractions have same denominator, denominator is which one? Denominator is which one, class?
Below.
Yes, the number at the down. So we simply add the numerator. Since the denominator we have the same numbers, so we don't have to make any changes for our denominator. So you need to add the numerators. What is the numerators? 1 plus. No any respond. I have to add Teacher Gita in this call. Please respond something.
Class 1.
So what is the answer? 2 over 3. Is this correct?
Yes.
Yes. Because the denominator are same. We have same denominator. So we don't have to do any changes for the denominator. So we only have to add the numerator. So 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So the final answer is 2 over 3. Understand for the example number 1? The more teachers scroll down, the tougher the question. Please watch carefully. Sorry. Please watch carefully. Okay. Okay. Question number 2. Add the following fractions. Okay, same. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4. Okay, what teacher do for the solution? I did explain for you all to understand how to do. Since the fraction have the same denominator or not? Is the fraction have the same denominator? Yes. So you only have to add the numerators. Same as what we did for question number 1. But for this time, we have to simplify. We cannot leave the answer like this. Okay. Let's say 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. 2 over 4. Okay, one more thing, teacher want to repeat the same thing. Don't understand, immediately stop me and ask the question to me.
I know
Okay?
this. I know this.
Hello,
Because
quiet. I say don't know, only talk. No, quiet. Okay, listen. So, same goes to the numerator. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. So, 2 over 5. Is that 2 over 4 is the final answer, class?
No, teacher. 2/4 is half.
Yeah, so
1/2.
we have to simplify, correct? 2 divide 2, 4 divide 2. So we will, okay. When we use the number for numerator, we also have to use the same number for denominator. You all know, right? For numerator, if you want to divide with 2, same goes to the denominator also. You all have to divide by 2. So the answer is 1/2. Understand? Example number 2, understand or not?
Understand.
Okay, good. So we move to the example. Yes, this one a bit tougher, but you can understand. Okay, 1/8. Okay, all of you mute the mic. I still can hear the background sounds that is distracting our class sometimes. So any question, just unmute and respond. If so far no any questions, mute the mic. Okay. Add the following fractions. If teacher say mute the mic, don't just mute and sleep there. Please focus. Okay, 1/8 plus 3/16. Okay, this fraction, we don't have the same denominator. Correct or not? For the fraction 1, we have 8 here. For the fraction 2, we have the 16 here. But we have to know that the denominator, we have to do the multiplication to make it smaller. First thing, you have to find whether this 8 can make it into 16 or not. Can or not?
Yes.
Can, yes. Why? So 8 multiply 2. Okay, this one is not decimal. This one is not dot. It's a multiply. Okay. 8 multiply 2 and then 1 multiply 2. So what is the answer? Just now teacher said when you use the same multiply for the denominator or numerator, you have to use the same number for the denominator. Understand?
Teacher, I know 2/16.
Right. Yes, very good. 1 multiply 2 is 2. 8 multiply 2 is 16. 2/16. So do we need to do the changes for the next fraction here?
No.
Do we need? Yes, we no need to do anything because we already make it equal the denominator. Yes, the denominator we already make it equal. So 16 is the denominator. It up to you whether you're going to do the separately or you want to mix in one line also can. Up to you. And then now, whose background is that? Can mute? Thank you. Okay, now 2 plus 3 is equals to?
Excuse me, teacher, I got one question. If you down one cannot change, what if you down down is 8 and another down is 10, but cannot change to how?
Yes, that's why teacher showing one by one of example situation. I will show. There are still more example. The question that you ask will be answered later. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Very good. Okay, the example number 1 is the same denominator and also the same numerator. Okay? But the question number 2 also same numerator and same denominator, but you have to simplify. When it comes for the simplify, you have to simplify. And then the third one is the same, not the denominator also different, the numerators also different, and then you have to see whether this 8 can make it to 16 or not. Can means you have to do the changes for the first fraction, and then once the denominator you got the same, you only have to do the solution for the numerator to get the answer. So this one, do we need to do the simplify? Nothing, cannot, right? 5/16. Okay, so example number 4. Again, we still have many examples to do. Don't worry, Scofield. Your question will be answered later. Okay, 1/3 plus 1/6. Here, same situation we face like just now. Don't have we don't have the same denominator here, correct? But you have to notice one thing, that this denominator can make it to 6. So what we need to do here? To make it 6, the denominator, what we need to do here? Am I talking to the wall?
No, teacher.
So what is the answer? What we should do?
8, no, 3, 2 over 16.
2 over 16.
Yeah.
No.
Um,
3 multiply with 2 and then 1 multiply with 2, correct?
yes. 2 over 6.
Yes, 2 over 6. So do we need to do the changes for these fractions? No need, because we already got the same denominator here, correct? So it is remains same, 1 over 6. So 2 plus 1 is equals to 3, 3 over 6. Do we need to simplify this fraction?
Yes.
Yes, so we need to divide by 3. 3 divide 3, we will get 1. And then same we have to use for the denominator. 6 divide 3, we should get 2. So the answer is 1 over 2. Can you all get the answer?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. We move to the example number 5. Okay, Scofield, can see the question that you have asked just now. Is it correct?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now let's say if we have the different denominators, but we cannot make it equal to each other, correct or not? So what we need to do? We have to multiply by each other. But this is the method that teacher use. If you don't understand this method, you can use your own method. Let's say 6, you can multiply with 4, right?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, 6 you can multiply with 4. 4 also you can multiply with 4. Is it true?
Not.
Yes, if the 6 you multiply with 4, automatically 4 you should multiply with. Am I talking to the wall? Yes. Okay, teacher say you don't have to refer this example class. This is the example teacher make for you all to understand the simplest way. But I'm worried that it will confusing you all. Okay, you just look at the questions here. Only the question, not the solution. Okay, since the denominators are not same, but we have to make it equal. So what we need to do now? 6 multiply by 4 and then automatically 4 you should multiply by
6.
very good. When 6 multiply by 4, 1 you should multiply with
3.
right. 6 multiply 4, 1 multiply 3 is it?
No, 4. 4.
4. So 4 over
4 over 24.
very good. Okay. For the next fraction, just now we said 4 multiply 6, right? Correct?
Excuse me, teacher, why add one not 3 divided by 24?
3 d no, why 24? Why 3? We have to multiply again with 6. Why? Because here the 6 you multiply with 4. Correct or not?
And 1 multiply with
also 4.
3 what?
Okay,
Well,
when 6, listen. When 6 you multiply with 4, 1 also you have to multiply with 4, what? Correct or not? So the answer is 4 over 24, isn't it?
Oh.
Okay, then plus when 4 you multiply with 6 and then the 3 also you have to multiply with 6. So you will get 18 over 24, correct? Correct or not?
Yes.
Okay, now 4 over 24. Okay, calculate for me and tell the answer. 4 over 24 plus 18 over 24. What is the answer?
Teacher, can I go toilet?
Yes,
Teacher,
yes.
you say again?
Alright. 1 multiply 4 and then 6 also multiply 4. You will get 4 over 24, correct?
Yes.
Plus with, when the 4 you multiply with 6, 3 also you multiply with 6. What is the answer you will get? 18 over?
18 over 24.
Okay, now 4 over 24 plus 18 over 24 is equals to?
32 over the
Hey, 4 over 18.
22 over 24.
22 over?
24.
Yes, very good. Okay, now the 22 over 24, do we need to do in simplest form?
Teacher, simplest force is what?
Simplify, simplify.
22. Yes.
How?
No, no, teacher, no.
Correct lah, correct. 11 over 12, correct?
12, 22 over 24. So is 1 over 2. Simplify.
Right. 22 divide 2 and 24 divide 2. 22 divide 2, you will get 11. 24 divide 2, you will get 12. So answer is 11 over 12.
11 over 12. Oh,
Understand?
11 over 12.
Understand or not? Understand or not?
Understand.
Who still don't understand? Hemar, understand?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now we move to the example number 6. Example number 6. Who can tell to teacher? Who can explain to teacher? Don't have to see my solution. My solution is quite hard for you all. You can use your own method. 1 over 14 plus 1 over 6. Who can explain to teacher?
Teacher, 14 times 6 is what?
You do lah. Hello, you asking teacher? What? 14 multiply 6. What is the answer? Class?
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
May I go to toilet, please?
Yes. Who can tell what is the answer?
84. 84.
Very good. So, if the 14 you multiply with 6, 1 also you should multiply with? Scofield, do you want to try? Class, am I talking to the wall? What teacher said on the first class? Respond to my questions. If not, I have to invite teacher Geeta in this call.
Teacher, I got headache with this.
Huh? Why you got headache with this? It's very simple. Teacher said, listen carefully my instruction. That's very important. Teacher said, when you want to make it equal the denominator, okay, 14 you multiply with 6 already, correct? If you use the 14 you multiply with 6, definitely the 1 also you have to multiply with 6, correct or not? Just now Vincent said 14 multiply 6 is 84. So 1 multiply 6 is equals to what?
6.
Yes, then 6 over 84 plus.
Teacher, but no song I do already and my uncle say wrong.
What is the answer you got, Scofield?
My uncle say it's 3 over 14.
3 over 14 is the final answer.
Yes, teacher.
3 over 14 is the final answer. Your answer is wrong, Scofield.
Oh.
1 over 14, when the 14 you multiply with 6, you will get 84, correct? When the 1 you multiply again with the 6, you will get 6 over 84, isn't it? So again the 6, when you multiply with 14, you will get 84 again. Then 1 multiply 14, you will get 14 over 84. Understand or not, class? Okay, now Scofield, tell to teacher. 6 over 84 plus 14 over 84 is what is your answer?
For 15 over 84.
84, correct. I know. So denominator is 84. So what is numerator? 6 plus?
1.
Wrong. 6 plus 14, correct? 6 over 84.
46 over 48. 84 over 84.
20 over 84 is your answer.
Oh.
20 over 84 is your answer. So try to simplify your answer. 20 over 84 is equals to what, class? Is equals to 4, because 20 when you divide by 4 you will get 5. 81 also when you divide by 4 you will get 21. So your answer should be 5 over 21. Understand? Scofield, do you know where's the mistake you made just now? Do you get the same answer 5 over 21 now? Scofield. Scofield.
Yes, teacher.
What is your answer? What is your answer now?
What answer?
The answer for this example number 6. Just now you said the answer is wrong, right? So is that the answer? What is your answer you got now?
6 over, wait.
Your answer should get 5 over 21. Who got the same answer as teacher? Chris, what is your answer?
Twenty over 48.
20 over 48 or 20 over 84?
Sorry, I say wrong already. 84.
Very good. That one is your answer. Then how you be going to simplify?
Uh, 11 over 12.
Right.
I don't know.
How about the rest? Light Chicken, Hammer, Eldridge, Ethan. Why don't want to open the mouth? What happened? Are you all in the class focusing my lesson? Queeners? All of you muted the mic and camera. Why? Don't want to respond in my class. And then what for you all attending the class? You all want me to add Teacher Geeta in this class? Teacher is screaming here, teaching you all. No any response. Am I talking to myself or talking to the wall? Just try. If the answer is wrong, doesn't matter. Chris, he tried so many times. The answer is still wrong. Am I scold him? Did I scold him? No, just try. Right or wrong, it doesn't matter. Scofield also tried. Did I scold him? Right or wrong, it doesn't matter. Don't just keep quiet until 1 hour, wasting your time. And teacher also screaming over here, calling your name so many times. No response. What's the point? Then how can teacher know that you all understand what I'm teaching here? What did I told for the first lesson of the class? Respond to the question is very important. You all just staring at the screen. What? Am I playing any video or movie? Then I'm showing the slide. Teacher prepare the slides, lesson, everything for you all to do what? To focus and ask the question. At least respond when I asked. Simply off the mic, video, everything. Then what you all doing there? Worksheets also never submit on time. Why? Class, worksheets also never submit on time. Why? Teacher preparing the worksheets for fun, is it? Huh? For time pass, is it? For make you all to understand well, detail. Make you all understand detail in topics. Still refuse to pass up the worksheets. Try to listen to teacher. What I'm trying to say is very important. Only few teacher never blame all the students. Some of you responded very well. I liked very much. One-to-one also attending my calls, everything. Respond, pass up all the worksheets on time. Even though forgot, they admitted it. And then teacher give some time for them to resubmit again. How about the rest? Never ever try to turn in the worksheets at all. I really don't want to scold maths grade 4. You all big enough already. Don't make me repeat the same thing again and again. First day of the class, you all have promised what? We'll reply, we'll do everything on time, we'll behave nicely in my class. Correct or not? Are you all following that? Are you all responding my question or doing something else there? This is the final warning. I don't want to repeat. Tomorrow we're going to have a class at 1 o'clock, isn't it? I don't think so. Teacher will continue the subtraction of the fraction. Tomorrow teacher will continue the subtraction of fraction, okay? Okay or not? Yes. So today we just focus the addition of fraction because the addition is already confused. So we still can continue with a few more examples. And then teacher will we try to do the addition of fraction worksheets only. There are 2 worksheets for today. The subtraction, once we done our lesson tomorrow, then we can follow try to do again the subtraction. Is it clear? Understand or not? Light cheeky? Shall we continue the lesson now? I don't want to waste the time because not all the students not focusing. Some of you focused very well, so I don't want to waste their time also. So can I continue the lesson now?
Yeah.
Teacher, I know how
all
to plus already.
huh?
I know how to plus already.
Yes, good. I already warned many times, huh? Those who have off the video before the class end, I will immediately put absent on your attendance. That's it. Turn on. Don't do anything on the camera button there. Just leave it like that. Let it on for 1 hour. Nothing is wrong. Scofield, Ethan, can I put attendance 0 for you all? Understand already or not, Scofield, the question just now? So what is the answer you got? When you simplify 20 over 84? What is your answer? Right or wrong, it doesn't matter. Just try. Teacher can make it and we can do the corrections. What is your answer, Scofield?
Again.
Okay, the answer just now, 1 over 14 plus 1 over 6, right? So what is the answer you got?
Wait, okay.
Okay, can you all see here my screen, right? I want Scofield, never mind, you can explain the example 6, example 7, example 8, example 9, example 10, and example 11. So we have 5 more questions. I don't want to open the mouth because teacher already explained 5 questions for you all. I want the student to explain to me. So teacher want to know whether you all really can understand or not. Can I? Okay, Scofield, maybe you can explain the question that teacher asked just now.
Which one?
Aye. 1 over 14 plus 1 over 6.
Okay.
So the two worksheet teacher already took out because I want you to try only the addition. I don't want you all to get confused with the subtraction, okay? So today just try out these 2 worksheets. So the subtraction teacher will continue tomorrow at 1 o'clock. So now 1 over 14 plus 1 over 16. Sorry, 1 over 6. Scofield, do you want to explain? Question, example number 7, chicken, get ready. I want you to open your mouth and explain to teacher. 7, chicken. 8, Queeners. 9, Vincent. 10, Hemar. 11, Queeners. Okay, Scofield, example number 6.
6 dash 84.
Huh? Okay, 6 over. Not dash lah, sayang. 6 over 84, correct. And then plus, not dash, we call it as over.
Okay.
6 over 84, correct. Plus,
Don't know.
try. Just
Teacher,
now the 14 you multiply with 6, correct?
Yes.
And then 1 also you multiply with 6, because teacher say once you multiply with the same number, you have to multiply the same number again, correct? Okay.
Yes.
And then 6, just now 14 you already multiply with 6 already. And then now 6 you have to multiply with again 14 what?
So 6.
Multiply 14. 1 also multiply 14. So what is the answer? 6 over 84 plus.
Teacher, I say altogether answer is 6 over 84. Altogether answer.
Wrong.
Because 14 multiplied by 6 is 84. What?
Correct. And then
Multiply by 1 equals 6. 6.
okay, 1 multiply 6, also you will get 6, correct? You have to plus with the second fraction there what? 1 over 6 there, correct or not?
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, Vincent.
Teacher, may I go toilet?
Yes. Okay, 1 over 6. What we need to do with the 1 over 6, Scofield?
Don't know.
Scofield, you have to listen to my instructions carefully, yeah. Okay, teacher repeat this. Okay, teacher repeat again. Okay, now 1 over 14 plus 1 over 6, correct? Correct or not?
Teacher, but 14 cannot multiply by 6. 6 also cannot multiply by 14. What?
Yeah, who say cannot?
I say division.
Who say cannot multiply?
I say division. Divide.
Why you need to divide?
1 divide.
Find the answer first, Scofield. Then you do the simplify. Okay, now 1 over 14, right? 14 you multiply with 6, correct? 1 you multiply with 6, correct?
Yes.
Okay, you got 6 over. You got 6 over 84, correct? Okay, plus, okay. The next fraction 1 over 6, correct? So, just now 14 you already multiply with 6. Now the 6 you have to multiply with 14 again, what?
So is 84?
Yes, also, yes, of course 84 again, because you have to make the denominator equal, what?
So 2 also 84 and
Of
up 1
course.
is 6. So 6
Hey,
over
listen
84.
carefully. What teacher say? The number 1 over 14, 14 you multiply with 6, and then 1 you have to multiply with 6. So you will get 6 over 84, correct? And then you have to plus with the second fraction, the 6 you multiply with 14. And then the top one, 1 also you have to multiply with 14 what?
So 14 over 84.
84. Now 6 over 84 plus 14 over 84 is equals to denominator, you make it equal already. So no changes for the denominator. 84. So what is the answer for the top?
20.
Very good. 20 over 84. But 20 over 84 is not the final answer. You still can simplify what? 20 you can divide with 4. 84 also you can divide with 4. What is your answer?
Don't know.
I don't want to listen the answer don't know from the students. I want you to try. Very simple, Scofield. 20 over 84 is your final answer, right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good. Now, 20 divide 4. What is your answer?
80.
Aye, 20 divide 4. Not multiply 4. Divide.
5.
Yes, you put 5. Now 84 divide 4 again, because once the numerator you divide 4, denominator also you should divide 4. It's compulsory. You have to use the same number. Okay, now 84 you divide 4. What is your answer?
Don't know.
Try, Coffee. I say I don't like to listen the answer don't know from the student. Try. You must say, teacher, I will try. 84 divide 4. Fastest Coffee. The friends all are waiting. Okay, never mind. I hold with your question because you already know the answer. Huh?
6.
Huh? 84 divide 4, you will get 6.
Wait.
Never mind. You take your time. Okay, example number 7.
I know.
No, let him try the answer. Let him try the answer. Okay, example number 7. Light chicken.
Teacher,
What is
21.
very good? So 21. So just now you got the answer on the top. What? 5 over.
Teacher, what up is 5 over?
Of course, because just now 20 you divide 4. What?
Uh-huh.
Hey, Coffee, why you confuse yourself? You confusing others also.
Don't know.
20 over 84. Correct. 20 you divide 4, you will get 5. 84 you divide 4, you will get 21. So the final answer is 5 over 21.
Okay.
Okay. Example number 7. Light chicken, please explain. I want to repeat the same thing. I don't want to listen the answer don't know. Try. You see Scofield, he tried so many times. Did I scold him? I will help you. Don't say I don't know. I hate when students say I don't know. You must say, teacher, I will try. Understand or not? Okay, good. Thank you, Scofield. Good try. Light chicken, what is your answer? I want you to explain. Don't look at the solutions. My solutions very hard. You have to do the solution that teacher taught just now. Light chicken, 2 over 9 plus 3 over 8. Okay, question number 8. Teacher called whom just now? Teacher asked whom to explain?
Answer already.
Huh?
I think I know like chicken answer already.
No, you don't have to tell Scofield. You have to give chance for your other friends also. Okay. Question number 8, I want chicken to explain, right? Question number 7, chicken. 8, Vincent, Hema, Chanel, and Quinas. Who is number 8? Who is number 8?
Teacher, I am at number 10.
Okay, Hammer number 10, Queeners number 11, Windsor number 7, sorry 8, Chanel number 9. Correct, I remember already.
Teacher, you did call me just now, teacher.
Yes, I've told what. You have to explain to me what.
Teacher, you also don't have called me just now.
No, teacher already said Chanel and Vincent have to get ready with the question number 8 and 9. Vincent 8, Chanel 9, Emma 10, Queen's 11. Correct or not? Just explain to teacher how you got the answers. Okay, never mind. Teacher telling now. You have to listen, right? Vincent, don't say don't know why. It's very easy fractions.
Okay, teacher.
Light chicken, question number 7. Can you please explain? Scofield, if you repeat the same, I remove you from the class. Don't give answer. Let them try because some of them still don't understand. Hemar can understand or not?
Teacher, am my answer correct? Teacher, I little bit don't understand.
Never mind.
About 55.